Hello everyone, in this video I will show you 4 ways to fix a yellow screen tint on the Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, so turn on eye comfort shield. After turn on eye comfort shield, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on VN enhancement and click on color filter and click on yellow and turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on color correction and turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on again settings app and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Enter your phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. So it just reset all settings. It's not linear over your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix 4 ways to yellow screen tint on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.